I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both your phone and a Windows PC. Connect the phone via USB or remove the SD card and use a reader. This gives Recuva direct access to the device file system. Once done, install Recuva on the PC and run it as administrator so it can scan attached drives. Make sure to enable USB debugging on Android or allow files access on iOS via iTunes or file transfer mode. These steps let Recuva detect the storage reliably. You now choose the right drive and start scanning. First, try a quick scan to get results fast. If that fails, switch to deep scan for a thorough sweep, which can find fragments and older deletions. Make sure to set file type filters for photos or videos if you need media recovery. This focuses the scan and shortens time. While scanning, avoid writing to the target drive. Do not copy recovered files back to the same phone or SD card until recovery completes, to prevent overwriting recoverable data. You finish by selecting files and restoring them to a separate PC folder or external drive. Never write recovered items back to the original mobile storage. Once recovered, verify each file, open images, play videos, and inspect documents to confirm intact data. If files are corrupted or missing, make sure you ran deep scan and, if needed, create a sector-by-sector image of the phone or SD card and run Recuva on that image. As a troubleshooting tip, if Recuva finds nothing, try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.